Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today is the second day of Navratri, and on this day we worship goddess Brahmacharini. She is known as um, the penance of spiritual knowledge and practice. So I pray Ma Brahmachari blessed you all with knowledge, peace, and strength to overcome with challenges, to overcome challenges, to fight for to face the challenges, to give you the strength to overcome from challenges. So she represents the strength, the power, the determination, the dedication, and discipline. So everyone believes that uh, if you worship Goddess Brahmacharini, she helps to their devotees to overcome from a struggle through hard work and become success in their lives. So I am praying. I am. I pray to Ma Brahmachari to with bless you all to and help you all to achieve your success and become success and do the hard work and help you to overcome from a struggle. So why like I talked about yesterday about the Navratri, and today I'm talking about the Navratri because I am fasting for the 9 days. So I thought let's share with you. So that's why I'm talking about the Navratri. And I thought that sometimes you have to bring the spiritual things in your uh, practice. Like, I believe in my faith and I believe in a spirituality. So I thought, let's say, with you, and it will help you to believe in a spirituality. It is also important, like uh, d- uh, doing the meditation. It is also the part of spirituality. So I thought let's talk about it and talking about and speaking about it in English. So today I am talking about it, and let's now I talked about that, and let's um, jump into the practice, and let's talk about the English speaking practice. So today I'm going to talk about the clarity. If you want to speak clear, it sounds like a clear. No, I'm not talking about the grammar mistakes or anything. Like when you speak through your mouth, when you speak, like some people sounds like very low, like they don't speak out loud. They don't speak out loud. So, so I'm going to tell you that what you have to do to speak clear, to sound clear. Like when you speak, whatever you speak, that sound clear. Like some people speak, but you don't understand what they are speaking. Not about. I'm not talking about those who are very fluent. I think when you watch someone or watch the video, some like in the movies they talk about it very fluently. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about those who when try to speak they are not able to sounds clear. They are not able to speak loud. So the best practice I find it, uh, I find I found that the best practice I found that pencil reading. So you just have to take a pencil, and I started doing that, and I saw the clarity about my speaking practice. So you just have to take a pencil and add it to in your, between your teeth, and you just have to start speaking. So you can read a books and using the pencil in your mouth and read um 10 10 to 15 lines, and or you can do the practice. You can use the pen drilling method to practice. You can speak about the you can do the tongue twisters. Tongue twister is also helpful, and when you practice, after doing this practice, the pencil drilling, it will very helpful, and it is very helpful if you do the pencil drilling practice. After you see the difference in your voice, the your voice will be clear after doing this practice, and you can see the difference after practicing this pencil drilling. It it helps a lot. And another things you can do it, you just do the tongue twister practice first too slowly, and then you start speaking. Like whenever you do the practice, speak out loud. The more you speak louder, the better you sound. So I think you do the practice, and you just have to speak out loud. You can read the books, or you can watch the videos. You can do anything you like to speak, like watch the video and repeat the video, do the shadowing, anything you can bring it and just speak out loud. So it will very helpful. These are the things that help you to sound more clear and natural. So we are not like the always that we like when we start. First, from the beginning, when we start, we used to speak very low, like we don't feel the confidence. But when you do constant practice, when you do the practice every day with the consistency, you will see the difference. So I think consistency is a must if you want to sound more clear, if you want to sound more natural in this language, in English language. So you just have to practice and speak out loud. Do the shadowing practice. These are the things. There is no magic. The only magic is the only magic that you have is you that who can the only magic, the person who can do it for you is you. If you think that you can do it, if you believe that you you will become good at speaking, if you believe that you can do it, you believe that I am a good speaker, or you believe that I can do it, I will become a good speaker, or I become good at communication. So the only person who is take you there where you want to go, like if you want to become good at speaking, if you want to become good at communication or a public speaker, whatever your goal is, The only person who is help you, who wants to help you, is you. So believe in yourself and do the practice. Do with the consistency and always believe in your faith and do and the purity in your heart. If you believe that and if you like focused, if you're focusing on that, so none of them can, and none was here to stop you. None of them can stop you to achieving the success, and the success in speaking, and success in and to becoming a good speaker, like becoming a good at speaking in English. So you just have to do the practice every day. Like I am, even I am, like I'm not saying that I am very better than you, and but I don't compare myself with others. I know I find myself that we started. I think most of the people started to following others, but like why they are so good at, why they are very good, why they are very wiser than me, or they are very faster than me. I don't compare myself. I believe that one day I will be achieve my fluency, my goal. So I am just doing the practice every day. I'm just talking, I'm just practicing, and one day I will be there and I will achieve I will become fluent at speaking. So I don't compare myself, and I'm suggested you don't need to compare yourself. And I'm saying that that's that to you. I want to say that to all of you, that you don't need to compare with self, not with me, not to others. You just only have to compare yourself with your yesterday, what you did yesterday, and what you are going to change, what are you going to improve. So to compare yourself with your yesterday, not to others, and improve yourself. That's all. And you just have to focus on yourself and learn and speak every day with the consistency. And you will see the difference after doing the practice. So that's all for today that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And thank you for always supporting me, commenting on my videos. And one comment inspired me a lot to make another video, and I feel inspired after seeing the comment and the subscription. It's motivate me that I am here to build something. So thank you so much.